people. This is, oh, 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 oh. Wow. It's later. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but, oh, it's really, wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that snow. Just move. Holy macaroni. Unbelievable. Supposedly, this is when it's the worst at night, and it's kind of dark out, so I don't think you can see what's going on. But listen. Holy crap. That's the wind. I'm going to step out just a little bit so you can see. Oh, no, 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 maybe not, maybe not. It's too cold. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. I hope this happens tomorrow so I can really... Oh yeah, this is a blizzard, people. Oh my god. Wind, 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 wind. Ow, 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 ow. It's freaking cold out here. Oh wow. That's awesome though. It's been a while since I've ever seen this much snow. Tomorrow I'll probably be digging my car out. Anyway, yeah. There's more of this to come. Anyway, I just wanted to peek out and see. I hope my neighbors aren't looking and thinking I'm freaking crazy. Recording on a blizzard night. Right. To continue, mañana. Because it's too cold to... Oh